You cats! Leave me! Don't chase me! Go away, all of you!
Yelled Charlie. His mother had been sleeping. She woke up when she heard Charlie shouting and screaming in his sleep. She shouted,
"Wake up, Charlie! You have been dreaming."
Charlie woke up and said,
Many cats are after me.
"There are no cats here, Charlie. Did you dream again that you are a mouse?"
she asked, feeling concerned for her son.
Yes, Mother, and all the cats of the village were after me. See, I am still a mouse,
cried Charlie.
"No, you are not a mouse. You are a boy." "My poor child, don't worry. I will take you to the doctor,"
consoled his mother. The next day, Charlie's mother took him to the doctor and told the doctor that Charlie had started getting nightmares of cats chasing him. The doctor asked some questions about his childhood, and she said,
"When Charlie was a baby, a cat scratched him badly. Do you think that could be the reason for these dreams?"
Maybe, but don't worry. Let Charlie take this medicine. Bring him to me every evening,
said the doctor to Charlie's mother. As they were leaving, the doctor advised,
Charlie, just try and remember that you are a boy, and a very handsome boy.
Charlie became very happy to be praised, and every evening he would go to the doctor. The doctor would listen to him for an hour, and the medicine he gave was just to help Charlie get a good night's sleep. One day, as Charlie came out after visiting the doctor, he saw a cat and, feeling scared, he hid behind the doctor. The doctor said,
The cat can do nothing to you. You are a boy. Who is bigger than the cat? You are not a mouse.
Charlie asked the doctor,
I know, doctor. But has anyone told the cat?
The doctor laughed and said,
A boy who can speak like this cannot be a mouse.
After regular treatment, the bad dreams finally stopped, and Charlie stopped thinking that he was a mouse being chased by cats. Now his mother was a relieved person.